today we are going to start our English Balabharati's new lesson. Can you guess which lesson we are going to start today? Right, a honeybee speaks. You can also see the name of the lesson on your screen. It's a honeybee speaks. Before starting this lesson, we are going to know about a monologue. What is mean by a monologue? Why we are going to know about a monologue? Because this lesson is a monologue, and that's the reason first we are going to know the meaning of a monologue. Monologue is a long speech by one person. For example, we can say in a play. Monologue is a speech delivered by one person or a long one sided conversation. So, today we are going to know about a honeybee. Right now, before starting this lesson, I want to ask you one question. Do you like flowers? I like flowers very much. Now you can see so beautiful flowers on your screen. So beautiful, no? All these flowers? I love flowers very much. Do you? Yes. So all these flowers are very beautiful. So today we are going to start with these flowers pictures our new lesson, a honeybee speaks. But before that, I want to ask you one question. Just as we like flowers, one insect also like these flowers. Can you tell me the name of that insect? Right, a honeybee. You can see on your screen the picture of a honeybee. Right now, this is a picture of a honeybee, and honeybee also like flowers very much because with the help of pollen and nectar from the flowers, honeybee makes honey for us, and it is very yummy. So today we are going to start our lesson. What? Me? A lazy bee? You think I simply have fun all day among the flowers? Oh no. When I am flitting from flower to flower, I am actually very hard at work. And that's why I am called not a lazy bee, but a busy bee. All of we think that honeybee does not have any other work rather than flitting from one flower to the another. But actually, she is doing very hard work, and because of her hard work, we say her a busy bee instead of a lazy bee. Come, I will show you my house and tell you what a lot of work we bees do all our life. Now we are going to see the house of a honeybee and what a lot of work these honeybees do in all their life. We are going to know. Now on your screen, observe the house of a honeybee. Very nice house, no? So today we are going to know about how these honeybee build their house. Now see paragraph number 3. My house is called a honeycomb. It is a big house with thousands of rooms or cells. Each room has 6 equal sides. We take a lot of care to build it. We even produce the material for building the comb. It's called beeswax. Do you know which is the house of honeybee and what we call that house? Right, honeybee's house is honeycomb, right now, and all these honeybee live in that honeycomb. I will tell you a house where honeybee lives is called a honeycomb. See, here in this picture you can see the house of a honeybee. Can you see how big it is? If you watch it carefully, there you can see it is a big house with thousands of rooms. Right now, if you observed it carefully, you can see each room has six equal sides. If we observed it carefully, we can realize how much effort these bees are taking to build their house, which is called honeycomb. Right now, students, very nice house. Now, how beautifully all these bees are making their house, and also for making this house, they produce the material themselves only, and it is called beeswax. Students, we know that when we want to build a house, we need so many things, just as cement, sand, wood, steel, water, and so many other things. But the honeybee produce the material for building the comb